And so I just want to do two quick little recaps. If you're not in the Patreon, I encourage you to give it a try. We have an amazing community there, a tribe of like-minded believers. We have open prophetic forums. We do macroeconomics, technical analysis, etc. But one of the giftings that God has given me, and I would say that it's a talent, is the ability to read charts. That being said, kind of like a doctor finding his pulse, that's one of the giftings that God has given me in the markets. So I just want to do two quick little recaps. We're looking at XRP right now. And on July 21st, right here, I was looking at the charts. I built a lot of custom indicators, composite indicators, and they were all very overbought. I didn't hear anyone on the internet really warning or sounding the alarm. And I posted this in the Patreon. I did a video, 15-minute video on this exact date at the exact top saying, here are some very concerning charts. And I went through a ton of them, everything from Bitcoin dominance to USDT dominance to my custom indicators that I've built. And I said, I'm not saying we can't go higher, but in my opinion, this is a time to be taking risk off measures. The market is overbought. These prices are unsustainable. Sure enough, I posted that video, and within an hour or two since then, the markets just went absolutely down. Great dollar cost average entry. I'm buying. So again, we have this on record too. And I didn't make a video for this post because it was 11 o'clock at night, but this was September 1st when the markets were at their pretty much rock bottom. I think XRP at that point was at $2.69, the bottom. And I put out a great post here sharing with everyone the measures that I'm taking and why I am buying. I opened up my charts. I shared some of the information, and I specifically said this. I'm not trying to call the exact bottom. That's not the game that I like to play. But when things are overbought, I like to de-risk a little bit. And when things are oversold and it's a great entry, that's when I like to start layering in. I'm a long-term buy and hold, multi-month swing trade investor, but also a dollar cost average and hold for the long run. So I said here very clearly, we can go lower. I'm not explicitly calling the bottom. It could be, but more so from here forward, any day that passes where prices keep going lower from here, I see it as gifts to pack my bags and dollar cost average in even more. And so anyone that read that, you were able to see exactly what I was doing, why I was doing it, and hopefully it would help you in your own decisions as well.